Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of National Bank of Oman, which you will need for the international money transfers or when you are receiving the payments from abroad. So first of all, you need to come here on the official website of National Bank of Oman, which is nbo.com. Now once you are here on the home page, you just have to look for the option of contact us branches or international banking. If you don't want to see that, or if you are not able to find that option over here, simply just use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen and type Swift code over here. Now once you type Swift code, you are going to see a bunch of different articles relating to this query. So you can click on any of these articles and you can look for the Swift code information over here. Now, if you don't see the Swift code information on the nbo.com, you can just simply try this second route, in which you will have to come here on bank.codes/Swift code search. I will also put the link of this URL down in the description. So once you come over here, you need to first of all search for your country. After that, you need to select your bank, which in our case is a National Bank of Oman. After that, simply select your city and it is going to give you all of the Swift codes as per the information that you have provided over here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.